I've had the Clicks Power Keyboard for a week now, and honestly, I love it. My friend Michael Fisher actually co-founded Clicks, but I did pre-order this and buy this myself. See, my first smartphones were the Motorola Milestone and the HTC Desire Z. So I've always had a soft spot for physical keyboards, and using this has brought back that feeling of just having something to, well, click. The MagSafe connection is genuinely the strongest of any MagSafe accessory I own, strong enough that the keyboard now lives on my iPhone more often than my own Apple Wallet does. That's also just because of the amount I use this keyboard. I've paired it to my Apple TVs, my MacBook, but I've also programmed shortcuts to control my Philips Hue lighting, so with just a couple clicks, I can turn on and off different lights in my home. The biggest things I'd change? Making it slimmer slash thinner, but not necessarily lighter. At only 5 watts, it barely charges my phone anyway. I'd much rather have a slimmer 200 to 500 milliamp hour battery with a thinner metal design to keep some weight and that premium feel, but to just thin out the entire package. I also wish I could use the keyboard as a trackpad. Imagine swiping across the keys to navigate your screen, and then maybe swiping across the spacebar to enable something like multitasking gestures. It does weigh as much as my iPhone. Sliding it out is very, very easy. Taking it off can be a bit of a struggle, but if you're prepared for the weight and the thickness, I very much recommend checking out something like this if you miss that tactile feel.